Hello guys, welcome. So today we're going to be changing the spark plugs and the leads for the Mercedes. I was playing with the Mercedes the other day and I thought, oh, I'll check the spark plugs, and two of the leads came off really easily and I got to the plugs. The third lead that I tried literally snapped as I pulled it out. So we've got all the parts now. It's all been ordered and delivered, and I had to get specific ones because these leads are copper centered and the spark plugs are copper as well, because it's more for the era of the car. And I'm hoping that with these spark plugs change and the leads change, it will just make all the difference in the drive and the startup. Right, let's do it. Finally got that one out. That's the one that snapped. There's a lot of rust in there. Look at the state of that one. And there we go. New leads, new sparks. So this is the moment of truth to see if it fires up any better than it has before and see how it idles. That one terminal on top of the distributor cap looked really, really bad, really full of rust. So I'm hoping that now I've cleared that out, that it will be better. Fired up a lot quicker. It just straight away. I've not driven it for maybe a week, and the rev counter is staying literally just at what, 900? Before it was revving and fluctuating loads. See that? It's just sat there. Before it was going up and down, up and down. Give a bit of a rev. And it's just staying around that kind of mark. Took a bit longer that time. I'm happy with that. I think that that would do the job. I just think that I'll need to take it for a drive to really check it out. I don't really want to do that until I've done the tie rods, but the tie rods will be done soon. Brilliant. Really happy with that. That's definitely smoother than it was. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Really appreciate it as always. Thank you to all the subscribers. We're one step closer to finishing, well, I say finishing, this Mercedes will never be finished, but we're getting one step closer to kind of making it better on the road. So thank you very much, guys. I shall see you in the next one.